Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is round number 7. Today is day number 18, and the sketch today that Christy provided doesn't really have, I don't see any identifiers to who the designer for this sketch is. Maybe if you've seen it around, you know, but I don't know. I don't know where she got it or who the designer is, but it's a lovely sketch and I'm going to have so much fun using it. The orientation is like this, and the title goes along the side, and it's got what looks like maybe a 4 by 5 inch photograph here in the middle, and then a little cluster up here at the top for the date. I'm going to use 2 photos on mine to make it a little bit different. You guys know me. It shows this feather cluster over here. I don't have feathers that I'm going to use, so I've got plenty of other stuff. So let me show you what I'm pulling in. Here are my 2 photos, and because the layout has tags, I thought I might use some of these here. I thought I might use some of these scraps to make some tags, but we'll see. These I'm thinking for the upper corner, the banners up there, and then for my background papers, I've got quite a few here. I pulled this one from the additional extra papers that I added in, and it is SEI, and it is from the Mia Bella line. Beautiful paper. This one is a scrap from the Spring Picnic line, and you can see SEI papers, even though they're from different collections, they go together so well like that. I mean, you know, you just can't go wrong with these papers. They're just lovely. These last 2 are from that are going to be my background, are from the Close to My Heart collection. I don't know, maybe Sorbet is the name on that, but I would not swear to it. But anyway, this one is from the Sweet Girl collection, and I plan to use this side. I have previously used the floral side, but I'm planning to use this side now. And this will be bordered with that Sorbet peachy orangey color cardstock. So it'll look like that, and then the primary papers on the front will look probably like this to some degree. So there you go. There's my papers and all the scraps that I have pulled to use. I have pulled some of the larger embellishment packs. These 2, I'm thinking maybe Hello Lovely or Hello XOXO or just Lovely. I'm thinking something along those lines, but I'm not 100% certain yet. I have pulled in this set of this corkboard sticker sheet, and then I have pulled in this sticker sheet from Close to My Heart. I have pulled this Heidi Grace sticker sheet with all these phrases on it. And of course, I've pulled in all 3 sets of washi stickers that I have, hopefully to use some more of those. And then I have pulled all 3 sets of the labels that I have, sticky labels. And then I pulled in this Bo Bunny set as well. Wonderful could probably be my title. I don't know what my title's going to be at this point. But this is everything I have, along with my photos, and there's a sketch. I will put a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I created in just a second. Okay friends, I am done with sketch number 18. This is the layout. You will have just seen it, but instead of the 1 photo, I put in 2. I still have my tags, I still have my 2 papers. I just changed things up. I still have a big embellishment here, I still have a title here, and I still have a journaling cluster at the bottom and a date cluster at the top. I just rearranged things a little bit, and that's the beauty of working with a sketch, is over time when you get used to working with them, you learn, okay, if I'm going to do this, then I readjust this to that, to this, to the other. Anyway, so let me show you what I didn't use. I have these enamel dots, and I pull them all in every layout, and so the ones that I did not use are these, the arrows, the white flat back pearls, and these 2 sets of enamel dots. Those will go right back into my stash to use on later layouts. I did not use this set of labels. I have so far only used 2 from this set. I did not use these coaster board embellishments at all. Stickers, embellishments. And these are the papers that I used and have scraps of. Of course, I have a scrap of this paper that was my background paper, as was this paper was my background paper. I created 4 tags altogether because I wasn't sure what colors I wanted to use, and I still have 2 of those left over. And then I have all these other pieces that were cut into smaller sections of scraps to get used. So that's always nice to have scraps to pull from to create different things in your layout. So that's what I have as far as pattern paper goes. I did use the hello that was here to create my title, but that sheet I didn't use anything off of. And I used for my subtitle, I used this alphabet, the small letter tiles. I did use a sticker from this sticker sheet, and this is mostly almost like baby theme, so I didn't use a whole lot from here, and I don't know how much I will get used out of here. I was going to use this pink, but it just didn't feel right on the layout. I did use 1 sticker from this sticker sheet, and I did use several stickers from here. I did use a washi strip from this sheet. I did use a washi strip from this set there. And I thought I used another one. No. And I did use a washi strip from this sheet as well. So I got a ton of use out of those washi strips. I did use arrows from this one. I just cut the tip off to make it a journal square. So that literally goes there, and that literally goes there. I just cut them down. I don't necessarily need that arrowhead on there, so I just cut them down to make it do what I want it to do. This set, I used 1 sticker from there as well. And then of course the enamel dots that I did use the blues, the greens, those enamel stickers, and then these puffy shapes, I used quite a few from here too. And here is the layout that I created. Now this one, if you look at the sketch, you'll see similarities. They're not exactly the same. I have 2 pattern papers behind here. I have 2 pattern papers behind here. This one has a cluster with journaling down here. It has a title and journaling. This has a title and journaling. There is an embellishment cluster here along with my title and my subtitle, my 2 tags here, the little arrow here, and then the date banners up here. I just put to the opposite side of the page. This one has what looks like maybe sequins or enamel dots or something here and here. I didn't do that. I just put in my different clusters what I consider my different clusters. Here, here, and here, I put the puffy stickers, the flat back pearls, and the enamel dots in each little cluster. So yeah, I got them spread around. 3 of the chipboard pieces from that one set, and here is a washi strip, a partial washi strip here, as well as a full here, and then 3 full washi strips here. So I got tons of use out of my washi this time. Not necessarily my washi tape, but my washi strips I certainly did. So here's your close-ups. If you haven't been over to Christy's Beautiful Life Facebook group, I would encourage you to head over there and see what everybody is creating on that side. And if you put in the, on YouTube, if you put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7, you will come up with all the videos that people are posting with that hashtag. And if you go over to Instagram, the same thing there. Put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7, and you will see everything that people are putting up there. This has been so fun to continue playing along every day this month, and I love what I am creating. Anywho, so day number 17 is, or day number 18 is done, and on to day number 19. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.